Hello, everybody. This is Vicki Schammel from Keller Williams, Southern Tier and Finger Lakes. And I woke up a little grumpy this morning. Now, it's not anything to do with the weather. It's something that I read. I want to talk to you about it. The last time I did a video, I talked about resolutions. So here's my resolution still going. And I talked to buyers about their resolution and sellers about their resolution. But here's what made me a little grumpy this morning. I got up and I saw a financial paper that was laying on my coffee table, and I picked it up. And the point that the person was trying to make as he writes financial information, he'd go in and talk to his editor, and the editor would say, well, what negative news do we have today? And I went, why would you just be looking for negative news? And then I'm beginning to realize that, people sit and wait for the negative news to go away. So I'm thinking about people buying houses. I'm thinking about our first-time home buyers. And I thought, you know what? I really want to talk to you today and say, getting rid of the negativity. We don't have negative news out there. We have interest rates that just fell down a little bit. We have grant money that's coming into our market. And I don't want our young buyers to feel that they can't buy homes when I know that they can. So here's what I'm going to tell my young buyers to do. I'm going to have 4 or 5 points that I want you to kind of listen to and see if we can't get you into that positive mindset and get you into having that home that you probably at this point want and think that you can't have. So let's talk about the steps you take to get one. So the first thing you need to do is you need to know your credit score. So find out what your credit score is. If you have to go online, find out your credit score. So not knowing it will hold you back. Credit scores are very important because the mortgage that you're going to get is going to be tied to that credit score. It may lower your interest rates, may give you different kind of programs to look at. So do that. The next thing you're going to do is you're starting a housing fund. So the other thing that I know is coming up here is people will start getting a lot of income tax returns coming back in. And you know what? The saving plan is not to have the IRS save it for you. You should be saving your own money. So go to your employer and see if you are overpaying your taxes and start pulling back a little bit on that. And then take that money, not to spend it, but put it in a home fund. Start saving your own money doing that. And stop any new debt. If you want to buy a home, maybe put off car payments or furniture buyings. Just don't go out and put in anything on your charge card that is over 30% of the value of your card. So be careful with all of that. Get pre-approved by a bank, and you know what? They're going to tell you exactly what home you can afford based on your credit, based on your savings, and that's where you're going to be successful in buying your next home. So start doing those things. And then here's the last thing. Grant money's coming in the market. I'm seeing lenders saying, you know what? Grants are coming back. So before that money's all gone, let's get you into a position where you can search out that grant money and buy that home. We're going to go into a positive mindset this year, not the negative. And if you see something negative, turn it off and get going. Let's be good this year. Happy to help you. There's a lot of real estate agents in this area. They're smart. They're helping people get into homes. And if this is the time for you, let's make it happen. So happy 2026. Let's get that New Year's resolution still ongoing. I'm going to keep mine going. I want you to keep yours going too. Until the next time, this is Vicki Schammel from Keller Williams, Southern Tier and Finger Lakes, and I wish you all a great day and happy house hunting.